Alright, so first and foremost, I'm going to start by taking the Y pipe off. Then I can get to the housing here so I can disconnect the torque tube. And then I'll work on getting the starter off, and we'll go from the top, take the radiator apart, accessories or intake, and then hopefully we can pluck it out within a couple hours. I want to warn my audience right now, this is the first time I've worked on a 928. Oh, that's ugly, man. Alright, it's kind of hard to see there, but this intake goes to a throttle body, and the throttle body has a boot that connects the intake, and right there where my screwdriver is pointed out, that is where the hose clamp is for that boot. So I need to unscrew that before I can take the whole assembly off. Alright, so this next step is going to be really hard to depict, but each one of these runners has two bolts. I have to squeeze between the runners and around with some wobble extensions to get every single one of these off. Of course, being an 8-cylinder, we've got 16 of those bolts to do. Oh, all over. So cold. If you look down here, this car is actually missing the AC compressor, as well as the AC lines are completely disconnected. That's probably because it either locked up or the whole system's done for. So I don't feel bad ripping everything out of it. I don't really plan on using the AC pump or the air pump for the emission stuff. So we're gonna clear all that. There's the air pump. Will be never used again in this car. So this is on the back side of the bell housing. There's two bolts on top. I'm going to be able to show this one, but I'm not going to be able to show the other one. Alright, I've pulled probably 20 different engines, but I've never had to move my crane over to the side of the car. Problem is my boom just doesn't extend far enough, and I'm not going to take the front end of the car off if I don't have to. We'll see if it works.